Hi guys, I just didn't get to finish this last book. So I'm going to finish the last book. It's called Sarah Saw a Blue Macaw, and this book was given to me by my grade 3 teacher, Miss McCabe. Alright, where did Sarah swing? Sarah swung where branches hung, big branches hung where Sarah swung, and trees were towering. So this is Sarah the monkey. She's sort of the main character of the story. At the end you'll find out why. What did Sarah see? Did Sarah see a blue macaw? The blue macaw that Sarah saw was sleeping in a tree. When did Maggie wake? Maggie woke when branches broke, the branches broke, and Maggie woke when Terence made them shake. This must be Terence. Where did Frances fall? Frances fell on Rupert's shell, the lizard fell, but wasn't hurt at all. Going for a ride. Where did Daniel drink? Daniel drank down on the bank, and on the bank where Daniel drank, he saw a tiny skink. That's a little lizard right there. This must be Daniel. How did Sherman swim? Sherman swam as fast as Sam he surely swam, but not as fast as Kim. What did Hannah hear? Hannah heard a hummingbird. The hummingbird that Hannah heard was very, very near. Now this book, I don't think it's not based on a story about animals in Canada or in Ontario, but I'm noticing some animals that we have in Ontario, like the otters and the hummingbird. Where did Katie sleep? Katie slept where spiders crept. The spiders crept where Katie slept, but never made a peep. What did Jacob take? Jacob took another look. Another look was what he took, and saw a hidden snake. Did you guys see the snake? I wonder what kind of snake he is. Maybe someone could find out. Where did Herman sit? Herman sat beside a cat. Beside a margay cat he sat, but never noticed it. Look, he's right in the tree. Now this book sometimes is a bit of a rhyming book. Herman sat beside a cat. Sat and cat have the same ending sounds, so they rhyme. See if you can hear any more rhyming words. What did Charlie choose? Charlie chose a clever pose. The clever pose that Charlie chose was trickier than Sue's. How did Horton hide? Horton hid as Morton did. As Morton did, he slyly hid to get away from Clyde. I'm noticing something about the pictures, that as we read on, it's getting a bit darker in the illustrations. I think it's going to be nighttime. What did Mona ride? Mona rode a giant toad. The giant toad that Mona rode had such a bumpy hide. So there's Mona, she's on a big toad. I'm noticing something over here. How did Franklin fly? Franklin flew on wings of blue. On wings of blue, he lightly flew to places in the sky. It's getting darker. What did Sarah say? Sarah said, "It's time for bed. I'm off to bed now," Sarah said. "Tomorrow we will play." So there's Sarah back. On the back is a cast of characters, and it says, "Can you spot Sarah in every picture?" And there's a little blurb about where Sarah the spider monkey is hiding. And it also talks about each animal that's on the page. This is a really cool book. And when we get back to PCH, I'll be sure to bring it so that you guys can look at this great book. All right. So this week, myself and my kids, Everdeen and Brighton and Addie, we're going to make some different kind of bird feeders, and then we're going to record what types of birds come to our feeders. So maybe you guys could do the same. You could take a picture of a bird feeder that you've made or you're going to make, and take a picture of you putting it in your backyard. And then you can send it to me, and that would be really great. It'd be a nice way to check in on each other. I hope you liked my 2 circles. Sarah saw Blue Macaw, or my 2 books, sorry, and The Perfect Square. And I hope you're happy and healthy, and I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you soon. Happy Sunday, everybody.